Alright, I'm going to be going over your homework, base and height of a triangle. Before we can find the area of a triangle, we have to find the base and the height. And once we have those two numbers, we can put them into a formula and we can find the area. But you don't know the base and the height, you cannot find the area. So let's practice that a little bit. We have triangle ABC right here, and it gives us the base and we need to find the height. So the base is BC, so I'm going to highlight the base, BC. I go to the opposite vertice. From this line, the opposite vertice would be A. And can I draw a perpendicular line? I sure can. Perpendicular line right there forms a right angle. So my base is BC, my height is AD. Alright, let's do another one. I have a base of AC. So my base now is here. Now the opposite vertice would be B. Can I draw a perpendicular line to B? Nope, it's not going to touch. So what I have to do is I have to extend this over here like that till I can draw a perpendicular line to B, which is right there. So my base is still AC, but now I know the height from here to here is going to be BE. So there's my height, and there's my base. Base, height. Okay, let's do the last one. The last one has the base of AB. Okay, trying to erase all this. AB. So if my base is right here, AB, I can't do a perpendicular line right to C, so I extend it over here. Now I can do a perpendicular line to C. So my base is AB, and my height is FC. Okay? Alright, let's go down to 4, 5, and 6. Here, they've given us the height, but we have to find the base. So let's do that. Height is PW. PW. Here's my height. So I'm looking at P, and I'm going to the opposite line for my base. Opposite would be right here. So it'd be QR. QR. Because if this is my base, I go over here to P, and I have to extend it here. I get my perpendicular line. I have my height. Okay. Next one. Height is QR. So my height is, oh no, QX, I'm sorry. Here's my height. So then I go, opposite of Q is PR, is this line right here. And that is my base, PR. Okay, one more to go. The height is RY. So let me draw the height, RY. Gives me a perpendicular line. And R, I go to the opposite. It would be this line right here, PQ. PQ. Base, height. And then I can figure out the area of this triangle right here. Okay? Okay, so we are on the back side, page 122. Now we have to draw, for each triangle, use a drawing triangle to draw the height of the given base. Okay, so I'm just going to do this freehand. If I know my base, if my base is right here, then I go to the opposite vertice, which is right here, and I want to see if I can draw a line from it to that line that forms a perpendicular line, and I can. So my height is right there. Okay. Number 8, my base is right here. The opposite vertice is right there. I cannot draw a perpendicular line. It will not form a right angle. So I'm going to extend this line out here. And then I can bring this line down here to where it forms a right angle. And then this is my base. There's my height. Okay? That wasn't a very good drawing. I'm going to do that one again. It's hard to use a straight angle or a straight edge on a iPad. But if I go like this with my base, I extend it, then I can come down like this to form my right angle, and that's my height. Okay, let's do number 9. Okay, I know my base is here, and the opposite vertex is right here. I think I can just go right like that, and it forms a perpendicular line. So base is here, then my height is that line there. Okay, number 10. Got my base right here, opposite here. Can't draw a perpendicular line, so I can extend this out. And then I can drop that down so it's perpendicular. And my height is right here. Base, height. All right. Let's do 11 and 12. Okay, 11. There could be a couple different right answers for this one. I'm gonna go with this as my base. I'm gonna go with LK as my base, and then the opposite would be M. Can I draw a perpendicular line? I sure can. They showed me it's a right angle, so LM is my height. Base, height. Okay? Let's go over to 12. So, I am going to use KL or LK. I'm going to say KL. This is my base. If that's my base, I go over here. Cannot do a perpendicular line there, so I extend this out, come over here. Now I have a perpendicular line, so my height is VM. Alright, now that's how we find the base and the height.